Here I have CAVION Base 10 quad. Let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At first, let's activate the screen lock. Let's open the phone's dialer right here. Let's activate keypad and let's use the first secret code, which is the testing menu code. Let's use *##4636# ###. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Let's choose at first the tablet information. Here you can read all important specification about your tablet. For example, the email info, phone number, current network, signal strength, location. You can run a ping test, turn off the radio, or tap more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, get PDP list, or for example enable data connection. Let's go back. And this time let me open the battery information. Here you've got all the important stats about your battery. You can read the battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, battery health, battery voltage, and even the battery temperature. Let me go back again right here and choose user statistics. Here you've got the list of all applications from your device, and you can read such things as last time used or usage time. Let's go back and choose VLAN information. Here you can select VLAN API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks, or get connection info. You may also choose the VLAN config, and if you have some configured networks, here you have the full specification about them. Let's go back again and choose VLAN status, and here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can refresh them or run a ping test. Let me go back again a couple of times and choose trace settings, and you can also use the settings connected to your trace. Let me go back a couple of times to open the phone's dialer, and this time let me open the calendar info. So let's use *#*225# ###. The calendar info just pops up. You may go back and choose and open the Google Play Services mode. Let's use *#*426# and Google Play Services just pops up. Here you can select ping, connect, disconnect, events, or status. Let's go back, and this time let's open the debug UI. So let me use *#*759###. And as you can see, debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs. You may also change the OEM mode or go back. At the end, let me show you how to check email number by using a secret code. So all you have to do is use the following combination: *#06#, and the email mode just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this. So that's it. Let's go back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.